Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Just checking everything, you guys. Just wanted to make sure I got everything together. So let's go ahead and share this. Wonderful. Fantastic. So, hello. My name is Adrienne Obi, and I am also known on the internet as Capricorntigress of Astrology, a look inside.com. And I am so proud to come and bring this lesson to you today. This is Astrology 101, a fun and informative introduction to astrology. So, welcome, stargazers. This course will playfully explore the basics of astrology, focusing on 4 fascinating zodiac signs. So get ready to unlock the secrets of the cosmos and discover what makes each sign unique. So we're going to be looking at the 4 first zodiac signs as our examples. Okay, so I feel bad for the other signs who might not get seen or talked about today. Okay. All right, so let's go on. So this is a little bit about astrology. What is astrology? Here's a brief history and overview about astrology. The ancient roots. Astrology's origins trace back millennia, with evidence found in ancient Babylonia, Egyptian and Greek cultures. It was deeply intertwined with astronomy and used for calendar making and predicting events. So I just wanted to stop for a second because it was really different back in the ancient days when it came to astrology. It was their way of deciding what the calendar was. Like they worshiped the sun a lot of times back then, or they worshiped the moon. So astrology was everything. It was not just something they did in passing like we do today. It was major, okay? And this is, like they said, both in Babylonian, Egyptian, and Greek culture. So it was everywhere. It was also intertwined with astronomy, which means it was all about the planets, the sun, the moon, the stars, right? So the other thing is that they used astrology to make the calendars. So everything was based on the movement of the planets and of the moon and of different things. That's how they predicted how their wheat would grow, or how when the flocks would come in, or whatever it was. So I just wanted to go into more detail because I think now we take astrology so lightly in comparison to how deeply it and how almost reverently it was held in regard. I mean, these were like their priests almost. So anyway, modern applications today, astrology is often used for self-discovery and understanding personality traits, and it is. In fact, my business, Astrology, a look inside, is based on that we're looking inside of each of us to find our own self-discovery and our understanding our personality traits. So it's completely different in a way than it had been years ago, but it's no less important than it was years ago. So while not science, it offers a fun framework for exploring human behavior and potential. And I always say that there's a little bit of science and mathematics in astrology. I mean, real astrology, not just making predictions or something like that. Because you have to be able to delineate different placements. You have to know about different numbers and be able to deal with those types of things. So the zodiac and the planets. The zodiac is a belt of constellations that the sun appears to pass through. Your positions of planets at the time of your birth supposedly influence your personality and life path. So, they say supposedly. I believe it does, but not everyone does believe this. So, right now, it is more looked at as superstition than actual fact, although I do believe it to be so. Let me know, do you believe in astrology? And if you do you know your sun sign? Do you know your moon sign? Do you know your rising sign? I always am interested to know, like, who believes in astrology? And if you do, what's your zodiac sign?